Shopify tutorial, how it works. In this video I will show you how Shopify works and also how to use Shopify for your drop shipping store. As you can see that I've been access with Shopify, but first of all, if you want to get an access with Shopify, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video so that you can able to get Shopify's 30 days free trial. So what you can do here on Shopify, let me show you first of all how to add your own product here on Shopify. When you go here to products, under products, you can able to add your own product. Not only that, but you can also import existing product. If you already existing product, you can just import them here on Shopify. But now let me show you how to add your own product. I'm just going to click here to add product. Then what you need to do here, you have to write the title of the product that you want to sell on Shopify. And also after that, you can just write the product description. But I like to use this AI tool from Shopify, which it will write for me any product description. I'm just going to click here to generate text. You have to put some keywords that you want this AI tool to write about. I'm going to use t-shirt for men. You can also use t-shirt for women, or caps for women, or jersey for women. Any keyword that you want this AI tool is going to write for you automatically. As you can see that it is done writing. It just takes seconds. I'm just going to click here to keep it. You can also rewrite it if you don't like this product description. When you're done writing product description, what you need to do now, you have to go to media. Under media, this is whereby that you have to upload an image of the product on Shopify that you want to sell, so that your customers will have an idea, so that they will see the image that the product you are selling. You can also go to category and choose the category of the product that you want to sell on Shopify. As you can see that there's animals, there's media, there's so many categories here. Then after that, you can go to pricing. Under pricing, you have to put the price that you want that your customers will pay, how much your customers have to pay the product you are selling. Then you have to go to the cost per item, how much you are buying this product on your supplier. Is going to show you the profit that you'll be making and also the margins that you'll be making. And then for inventory, leave it like that, no change anything here. Then for shipping location, it's up to you. You can do all of those features here. Then for shipping a physical product, you have to put the kg, the weight of the product that you are selling on Shopify. Then when you are done, you can click here to save this product. Or you can also go to collection. Under collection, you can able to see how many under collection, you will see how many products that you are selling on Shopify. They're gonna be listed under collection. Then you can go to customers. Under customers, you can also import, if you already have a database of customers, you can import them here. Or you can also import the list of customers here. You can also see the people that purchase from you on Shopify. Then you can also go to analytics. And analytics, this is whereby that you're gonna able to see how your dropshipping store it is performing on a specific day, on a specific month. You're gonna see the total sales in your store. You can also check the online store conversion rate, like how your store it is performing. You can check all of those things. You can also go to online store sessions, like how many people they are in your store right now. You can also check the total orders of your store. You can also see the top selling products in your store if you have multiple products, guys. Okay, you can check the top selling products on your store. You can also go to marketing. Under marketing, you can help to do email marketing. You can do emails on your customers so that you can sell multiple products on your customers. You can do email automation. You can do campaigns here. Automation is going to help you a lot to get more sales, guys. Okay, on people from customers who didn't purchase from you, you can also offer some discounts. Discounts, guys, especially on holidays, is going to increase the number of sales on your Shopify store. Do not sleep on this one. You can also go to online store Shopify. online store Shopify is gonna give you these done for you themes that you can use on a Shopify store. It's gonna give you all of these done for you themes. Yeah, you can take a look at these done for you themes that you can just add them right away in a Shopify store. If you are a clothing niche, you can. If you are selling clothing, you can just add this product. It's gonna be added straight to your Shopify account, guys. Okay, let me just click here and so that you can have an idea on how these stores they look like, guys. Okay, so what you need to do here, you can put your own domain. That's all I like about Shopify. You can put your own domain here on this store. You can put your own what is this, your own logo. You can put your own logos here. You can change these colors here. You can change this brand, put it on your own, guys. Change this currency that is in Canadian, put in the pounds or dollars, with any currency that you want these stores to be in. Customize it the way that you want this store. It's just a done for you store, guys. Okay, done for you store. It is so simple. You did some things here. Now let me talk about Shopify free trial. When you click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video, it's gonna take you to this page. Start for free, enjoy your first month for $1. Put your email address here, and then after that, guys, you have to pay on a yearly basis. Why I say so? Because you can save up to 25% off. Yeah, but if you wanna pay on a monthly basis, it's up to you. The plan that I recommend is the basic plan. It's gonna be $19 per month only if you are paying on a yearly basis, guys. Okay, so if you have any questions about Shopify dropshipping, please leave a comment down below in the